Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Are you one of those people who would call yourself allergic to everything? I just want to tell you that what I've seen over years is that if that's what's going on with you, it is super likely that you have unaddressed trauma from your childhood, where you were sexually abused or physically abused. What happens is your whole body's system gets beaten down with the information, I can't protect myself. And, well, that's true. If you're 4 and you're being sexually or physically abused by somebody who weighs 150 pounds, I mean, what are you going to do? Plus, you cannot run away from home. You're just stuck there. You're stuck there because you have to eat, you have to have a place to sleep. I mean, duh. When you're 4, what are you going to do? So what happens is your whole body gets this information, I can't protect myself. And your immune system takes that information as reality as well. So if there's one little allergen that comes floating in, one little bit of pollen, and you breathe it, it just crashes your system. It's because of that's how you lived when you were little. That's how you grew up. That information is in your system until you change it. And fortunately, thank God, we can change that information with TAT. So you not only get over the traumas that happened, and by get over it, I mean when you think about it, it's just a memory. It doesn't hurt you. It doesn't make you feel bad physically anywhere in your body. It doesn't hurt you emotionally. You don't feel wasted, crushed, sad, lonely, isolated, and you don't have thoughts like, this will never end for me, I can't get out of this, I always end up in relationships like this where I continue to be abused, or you might have done the flip side as your solution to life, which is hurting other people. These are all natural responses to those kind of situations, but if you've been hurt a lot and you have that information, you can change it with TAT. So you not only get over the trauma, but the information in your whole system, including your immune system, changes to, I can protect myself. I have boundaries. I'm healthy. All of that's over, and I'm not continuing to live from that perspective anymore. So all of that changes with TAT. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.